Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today from English Treasure textbook, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Choose Your Sports. Okay. So this is basically a poem written by Martin Dignicki. Okay. So in this, what we will read? We will read about choose how to choose your sports. Okay, sports का मतलब different type of games. Okay. Previously in this English Treasure textbook, what we have learned previous chapter was Mary Kom. Mary Kom was chosen a she has chosen a sports, that is boxing. Okay. So there like this there are many sports are there, okay, which we will learn. So how to choose your sports, in this the poet is going to tell us. Okay, let us read the chapter. In this we will read the poem on a different kinds of outdoor sports. Okay, we are going to learn different type of outdoor sports. So what is outdoor sports? जो बाहर we will जो चीज़ हम बाहर खेल सकते हैं, like cricket, basketball, football. Okay, these are all outdoor games. And what are indoor games? Indoor game are what we play inside, like chess, carom. Okay, now let us learn. Let's turn off our video games and run outside. From so many sports we may choose and decide. Okay, let's turn off our video games and run outside. From so many sports we may choose and decide. So the poet is telling all the childrens, all of you, that nowadays the online is very much phone is very much essential, that we cannot overcome it. Okay, so the poet is saying, let us turn our video games, let us turn our indoor games, okay, and run outside to play. From so many sports, there are many sports, okay, many games we may choose and decide. There are many things to play outside. Why to sit inside and play games? Okay, so let's go outside and choose. So our choose and decide which game we have to play. Okay, baseball, soccer and basketball are fun. Let's grab some friends and play in the sun. You know basketball? Basketball, you know, a ball is there and one basket over two sides. They hang and we have to put it inside the basket. Okay. So, and soccer is the American word for football. Okay. So here is poet is telling that baseball, sorry, that is baseball. I am telling about basketball. I'm sorry. So there is a baseball. Okay, baseball, soccer and then basketball are fun. Okay, ये तीन गेम हम खेल सकते हैं. Okay, let's grab our some friends, let's call our friends, okay, and play in the sun. Okay, we will play in the sun and let's call all the friends to play these all games. Okay, in baseball you will be running around. When you hit the ball, it's beautiful sound. So what is baseball? A sport played by two teams of 9 players each. Okay, one game is there that have two teams and 9 players each. They have 9 players. So what is in baseball? You will be running around. You will running around the corners. Okay, here it is given C. Okay, and when you hit the ball, see in the picture. Okay, you will, when you hit the ball, it is beautiful sound that comes out, like we strike the ball when we play cricket. That sound is very beautiful when you hit the ball. Okay, so the poet is convincing us that how we will play our outdoor games very nicely and very quickly, that we cannot miss the indoor games as well as we will enjoy the outdoor games. Okay. In soccer, you pass the ball using your feet, drink lots of water, and watch out for the heat. In soccer, okay, as I told you, soccer is a football, American word for football. Okay, you will pass the ball from the feet. Okay, and drink lots of water because you have to play in the heat. Okay, you have to play in the heat, sun. So drink lot of water because we need energy to play the soccer. Okay. Then, in basketball, the best sound is a swish, making 10 in a row in a wonderful wish. See that in basketball, the basket is above and they used to put the ball in the basket. Okay, so what is swish over here? SWIS is the sound made by the ball when it passes through the shooting hoop. Okay, when we put inside that ball, the voice is swish. Okay, making 10 in a row. The 10 players in a row is a wonderful wish to play the basketball. Okay. Then whatever sports you decide to play, enjoy them with friends each and every day. So whatever game you decide, either basketball, soccer, baseball, tennis, football, cricket, this all you will decide to play, enjoy them with all the friends each and every day. You have to enjoy from the heart what you do, and you have to enjoy the games as you want. Okay, so children, only don't play in indoor games, play outdoor game also. Okay, because the in outdoor games not only we have to enjoy, we get the sun, we get the vitamin D from sun. Okay, we get the fresh air sometimes from the air, surroundings. Okay, we see all things around us, not sitting inside the home playing games it's necessary. We have to go outside and play different game is also good for us. Okay, so this is all about choose your sports and enjoy the games, outdoor games. Okay, so students, I hope you like this chapter and read the chapter once. Okay, and watch the video carefully. Thank you everyone.